Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to test the cart page. And to test the cart, before we test, we need to give this input a name. So I'm going to give this input name. I'm going to say name, and the name is going to be add underscore to underscore cart. Make sure that you add this. Name is add to cart to this submit button. Let's save and let me test now. So I'm going to go back to the products page. I'm going to say here products.php, and then I'm going to try to add a product to the cart. I'm going to click on order, and as you can see, this is going to add the product to the cart. But we have a problem with the image, so let me check the image. In the cart here, in the cart, we need to make sure here the image, we need to say assets and then / images, not img, images. Let me now refresh, and as you can see, we have the image here being displayed, which is amazing. For this remove, we need to remove the background. So let me remove the background. Here we have the remove button. This remove in the cart. We have this remove. Let me show you where it is. This is the remove button. We need to say here style, and then background none. And also the color, I'm going to say background none, and then the color is going to be white. Let me save and let me test. I'm going to refresh, and this is how it's going to look like. So now it looks amazing.